halo-halo, carbon, oxygen, steel, orange juice. How do you classify these materials? Do you think it is pure substance or mixture? Hello, my dear students. I am your teacher, Teacher Larry, and welcome back to our science visual lesson. Nakapagtimpla ka na ba ng kape, Milo, gatas, o kaya'y orange juice? Di ba? Oo. When you try to prepare these drinks, have you noticed that when you try to sip it for a while, di ba mapapansin nyo na may magsisettle down sa ilalim ng inyong baso? This kind of drinks are an example of mixtures. And remember that sometimes when two ingredients are mixed together, they look the same, and sometimes they are not. We are now at our first quarter, Module 3 of Science 7. In this video lesson, you will find out the difference of pure substance and mixtures based on a set of properties. In our previous video lesson, we have discussed about matter and the two classification of matter. Ano na nga ulit yun? Tama. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass, and it is around us. The two classification of matter is pure substance and mixture. Let us start with mixture. When two or more kinds of matter are put together, it is called mixture. At syempre, kapag sinabi nating mixture, this can be solid, liquid, or gas. And any combination of substances, this can be a mixture as long as it is a combination of two or more matters. When it comes to pure substance, a pure substance consists of only one phase with definite composition which appears uniform in appearance and composition regardless of size. Ang kape, Milo, gatas, at orange juice ay mga example ng mixture. And remember, nasa mixture, meron tayong tinatawag na solution. And a solution may exist in any phases of matter. And a solution consists of solute and solvent. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng solute at solvent? When we say solute, it is the substance that is dissolved. And solvent, it is the dissolving agent. Sa pagtimpla ng inyong chocolate drink, either Milo or Ovaltine, at ang ating tubig, Alam ba ninyo kung alin sa mga material na yan ang solute o solvent? Tama. Ang solute natin ay Milo o Ovaltine at ang ating solvent naman ay ang tubig. I will show you a diagram that will explain matter. So sa ating diagram, makikita ninyo na there are two classification of matter, which is the pure substance and the mixture. Under pure substance, meron din tayong tinatawag na classification, which is the elements and compounds that is being discussed in our module 2. And there is also mixture and has two classification, which is the heterogeneous and the homogeneous mixtures. When we say pure substance, is a form of matter that has constant chemical composition and characteristic properties that are constant, such as melting point, color, and the boiling point. Constant chemical composition, meaning the same everywhere. One classification of pure substance is element. When we say element, element is a chemical substance that is made up of particular kind of atom and cannot be broken down or transformed by a chemical reaction into simpler component. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng pang paliitin pa or paghiwa-hiwalayin pa yung particle niya, because it is now the simplest substance na. Example of an element is we have gold. Element name is gold. Element symbol is AU. So this element cannot be divided into more specific atom pa, because it is now the simplest. It is gold. Next, we have silver. Element name is silver, and element symbol is Ag. We have another example, which is the carbon. Element symbol is C. Another classification of pure substance is compound. And compound is a chemical substance that is composed of particular set of molecule or ions that are chemically bonded. Remember that it can be broken down into chemically simpler components because it has more than one element. Example of compound is sugar. Common name, sugar. And we have the chemical formula. We have the C12, H22, and O11. It has three elements. We have the carbon, the hydrogen, and the oxygen. Another example of compound is the CO2. Common name is carbon dioxide, and chemical formula is the CO2. So we have two elements, which is the carbon and the oxygen. Remember that a compound are made up of elements that are chemically bonded together. That is the reason why we can make compound into more simpler because it is a combination of elements. At tatandaan natin, all compounds are substance, but not all substance are compound. How about mixture? When we say mixture, mixture refers to the physical combination of two or more substances in which the identities of the individual substance are retained. So, pinaghalo natin, mix, pinaghahalo. I will show you an example of mixture. We have chop suey, halo-halo, cereal and milk. Do you consider this material a homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture? Yes, correct. It is heterogeneous mixture. When we say heterogeneous mixture is a mixture of two or more chemical substances where components can be visually distinguished and easily separated, meaning they are not uniform throughout the mixture. In our example, we have chop suey. They are not uniform throughout the mixture. Pwede nating piliin yung mga gulay, yung mga gulay na sinasahog natin sa chop suey. And then we have halo-halo. Yan, pwede natin piliin yung munggo, yung leche flan, yung sago, yung saba. Another, we have the cereal and milk. Pwede nating piliin yung cereals. That is example of heterogeneous mixture. Kapag sinabi naman nating homogeneous mixture, it is a mixture of two or more chemical substances where the different components cannot be visually distinguished. Its composition is uniform throughout the mixture. One of our example for homogeneous mixture is steel. Steel is a combination of iron and carbon. We have the alloy. Alloy is combination of brass, bronze, steel, and silver. We have the orange juice. It is a combination of orange and water. So they are now uniform throughout the mixture. We cannot physically separate them one by one. To sum it up, when we say homogeneous mixture, it has one phase because it is uniform throughout the mixture and we cannot physically separate them. And when we say heterogeneous mixture, it has two or more phases because we can physically separate them one by one. Sige nga, review tayo. I will tell a statement or definition and tell me what terminology is this. I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Okay, handa na ba kayo? Let's start. Substances that cannot be separated or broken down into simpler substances. Ano kaya ito? Timer starts now. Okay, the correct answer is elements. Next, it has only one face. 5 seconds. It is homogeneous mixture. Next, made by mixing other substance together. 5 seconds. It is mixture. Another. It contains more than one phase. 5 seconds. It is heterogeneous mixture. Another. It is a substance that composed of two or more elements, and it can be separated or broken down into simpler substance. Ano kaya ito? It is compound. In this next picture, can you identify whether it is pure substance or mixture? And you will identify also if it is element or compound, if it is pure substance, or kapag mixture naman, classify it between heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. I will give you 5 seconds for each picture. Okay? Let's start. So we have now our first picture. Orange juice. Timer starts now. It is mixture. What classification of mixture is this? It is homogeneous mixture. Next picture, we have oxygen. Timer starts now. It is pure substance. And what classification? It is element. Okay, next picture. We have sugar. Timer starts now. It is a pure substance and it is under compound. Next picture, we have halo-halo. Timer starts now. It is mixture and it is under heterogeneous mixture. Okay, let's have the next picture. Salt. Timer starts now. It is pure substance and it is compound. In this next picture, can you identify whether it is a homogeneous mixture or a heterogeneous mixture? Again, I will give you 5 seconds for each picture to identify. Okay, let's start. Vegetable salad. It is heterogeneous mixture. Next, vinegar. It is homogeneous mixture. Next, blood. It is heterogeneous mixture. Next, gasoline. It is homogeneous mixture. Alright, this is the end of our first quarter, Module 3 of Science 7. Kita ulit tayo sa susunod nating video lessons. Goodbye!